Get the perfect blend of warmth, elegance, and ultimate relaxation. Naomi Home presents the Katie 3-piece recliner sofa set. Designed to bring both style and comfort to your home. This exquisite set includes a reclining chair, sofa, and love seat with plush cushioning and superior support to enhance your reclining experience. The love seat includes a storage compartment as well as 2 cup holders. And if that's not enough, then pull down the middle chase of the sofa to reveal the hidden cup holders. Perfect for movie nights and hosting house parties. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.